So here's our two Series 5 rack mount PoE switches. Now they're Series 5 because they are not industrial grade. They have the AC mains. The industrial ones are the Series 7, they're 48 volt. So the first unit is the SIL 534C24MP, and this is 48 volt standard PoE on the 24 ports. However, if you run them at 30 watts, then that will only be 16 ports. You've got 1 gig additional ports that can be combos, so they could be fiber SFP or using as additional networking connections, and that's where your LEDs will show up. And there's a console as well. The other version is the 54424MP, which has got 10 gig SFP. So there's 4 10 gig SFPs, and exactly the same 24 48 volt PoE ports on it, and again 16 if they're running at 30 watts. In the accessories box you have your console cable, brackets and mains cable. So there you go, that's the Series 5 switches. And of course all of our switches operate perfectly within SilverView, our network management software.